Welcome to Italian Dolomites, the paradise for ski lovers in the winter season and hikers in the summer. This year we discovered a perfect holiday home that made our skiing trip even more memorable, Plang Farmhouse. We call it a perfect luxury choice on a budget. A warm, spacious shower and a comfortable bed is what we're all looking for after a long day of skiing, and they got it. And we can definitely say there is good working atmosphere where the maid is an artist, surprising guests with new creations basically every day. It gets even better when you wake up to a view overlooking the ski slopes that are still empty and intact. You can already feel the adrenaline rushing up your veins as you try to catch the first lift up. The Alpine-style breakfast room has panoramic windows overlooking the ski slides. The best part about staying at a stylish farm is their breakfast. They offer homemade local products, sweet and salty. We love their fresh ricotta, homemade jam, and their very own cheese and eggs. Another gem is their so-called panoramic sauna, hiding behind the main building. When you reserve the sauna, you will get this basket of 2 towels to take with you and 2 robes to keep it all a bit more comfortable. So let me just take this with us. You make a reservation up front and it is your own private sanctuary for an hour or 2. They have a smaller finished sauna and plenty of room to rest and enjoy the evening. There is a decent-sized ski storage with easy access for guests. We immensely enjoyed our sheep, or peka, room as they call it. And since we have been coming to Dolomites for several years now, I can tell you finding a decent-priced, renovated and aesthetically pleasing accommodation is not a simple task. So I consider the Plang Farmhouse a great discovery that I'm definitely returning to next year.